Ms. Vaishnavi Belogar, working as an assistant professor at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera, Amravati. Today I am going to discuss here about the laminar airflow. So, laminar airflow is an enclosed workstation which is used to create an contamination-free work environment. It provides or it protects the work from the environment. It is similar to the biosafety cabinets, but the only difference is that in laminar airflow, the effluent air is drawn into the face of the user. So, in biosafety cabinets, both the user and sample are get protected, but in laminar airflow, only the sample is protected, not the user. So, now we see its construction. So, it consists of many parts. First one is the cabinet. So, this is the entire cabinet which is made up of stainless steel with less or no gaps between these. Then it provides the insulation to the environment, all the environment. Then it is covered with or it is provided with the glass shield. In some laminar airflow there are glass shield which are entirely open, likewise these, and in some laminar airflow there are two openings of glass shield. Then next one is the working station. So working station is present inside the cabinet where the actual work is taken place. Okay, and the working place is consist of the burner, then pouring plates and the loops. Then the filter pad or pre-filter. It is present at the top of the cabinet, in which the air is passes through this cabinet and which traps the dust particles to entering into the cabinet or working station. Then next one is the fan blower, which is present below the filter pad, means below this filter pad, which is used to suck air in and moves towards the working station. Then next one is the UV lamp. So UV lamp, as we all know, UV lamp is used as for the sterilization purpose. Here it sterilizes the interior of the cabinet, and we have to make sure that to turn on the UV lamp before the 15 to 20 minutes before the process, and due to because it provides or it causes cancer or it is poisonous in nature or dangerous. Then next one is the HEPA filters. HEPA filters, this is the network-like structure. We can call it as a HEPA filters, through which the filtered air is passes into this workstation and used for the sterilization purpose. So this is the horizontal type HEPA filter. So that's why this overall laminar airflow is called as the horizontal laminar airflow, because it is present horizontally to the cabinet. There are some laminar airflow which we can call as the vertical laminar airflow, in which the HEPA filter is placed on the top of the cabinet. So that's why we can call it as a vertical laminar airflow. Then next one is the fluorescent lamp. So fluorescent lamp is the simple lamp which is we use during the operation, and this is the millimeter water gauge. This is the millimeter water gauge in which the water level is measured, and this water level is used to decide that the actual sterilization level of this instrument by using this scale. So what is the principle of this instrument? The principle is that the air is taken through a filtration system and then exhausted across the work surface as a part of the laminar flow of the air. Then the air is first passes through the filter pad and pre-filter that allows a streamline flow and air into the cabinet. Blower or fan directs the air towards the HEPA filter. Then the HEPA filters traps the all bacteria, fungi and particulates materials, so that the air moving out of it is particulate free air. So this is all about the principle of this laminar airflow. So now we see it's working. So first of all, we have to switch on this button, okay, main switch. Then these are the buttons which here, this is of the HEPA filter, this is for the fluorescent lamp, and this is for the UV lamp. So before the working, we have to on the HEPA filter and UV lamp before for the 30 minutes to sterilize all this working station and the cabinet. So now I start the HEPA filter and UV lamp for the 30 minutes. I put this as it is for the 30 minutes, and now I leave this room because to avoid the exposure of UV lamp to our body. 30 minutes are over, and I put it as it is for the 15 to 20 minutes to prevent the exposure of the UV lamp to our body. And now I open this cabinet working, and now start the fluorescent lamp during the working purpose. I disinfect it by using the 70% alcohol, or we can use toluene for this. So I disinfect this all the platform of working, or we can say working station, before the experiment or before the process. So now I do the actual process of pouring my sample, or we can say agar media, into this, and put this for some time. Process of the laminar air flow. Thank you.